Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to exchange stickers on Monopoly Go. It's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. So let's dive in. First, open the game and head to the bottom right corner. You'll see the album option there. Tap on it to view your sticker albums. Now, here's the thing. You can only exchange a sticker if you have an extra copy of it. You'll know you've got extras when you see a little +1 or +2 right on that sticker. Tap on the sticker with the extra and you'll notice a new option pop up that says Send to Friend. Go ahead and tap that. From here you can turn on the Make an Exchange option if you want a sticker back in return. Then just choose which friend you'd like to send it to. Once you've picked your friend, tap Continue. They'll have up to 16 hours to accept the exchange and send you a sticker back. If you're sure, just confirm and that's it. And yeah, that's all it takes to trade stickers in Monopoly Go. If this helped you out, give it a like, maybe subscribe, and check out my other tips for the game.